Hey there, I am Kirill Kirkov from Full Stack Ninja. Welcome to this video where we'll be talking about Python numbers. If you're new to Python, you might be wondering what Python numbers are and how they work. Don't worry, we've got you covered. Python is a popular programming language used by developers all over the world to build different types of applications. One of the most important concepts in Python programming is numbers. Numbers are used to perform mathematical operations in your code, and they come in different types in Python. There are three main types of numbers in Python. Integers. Integers are whole numbers, positive or negative, without any decimal points. For example, 1, 10, -5, 1000 are all integers. Floats. Floats, on the other hand, are numbers with decimal points. For example, 2.5, 3.14, -0.5 are all floats. Complex numbers. Complex numbers are numbers that have a real and imaginary part. They are not commonly used in everyday programming tasks, but they are essential in scientific and mathematical applications. Now that we know the different types of Python numbers, let's talk about how to use them in our code. To use numbers in Python, you can simply write them in your code. For example, if you want to use the number 10, you can simply write. This creates a variable named x and assigns it the value of 10. You can perform different mathematical operations on numbers using different operators. For example, you can add, subtract, multiply, and divide numbers using the plus, asterisk, and operators respectively. Let's take a look at an example. In this example, we create two variables, x and y, and assign them the values of 10 and 5 respectively. We then create a new variable named z and assign it the value of x plus y. Finally, we print the value of z to the console, which should be 15. As you can see, working with Python numbers is pretty straightforward. You just need to know the different types of numbers, and how to use them in your code using different operators. I hope this video has been helpful in introducing you to Python numbers. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more Python tutorials and videos. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!